Present simple quiz. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct answer. Do you like chocolate milk? He does not want to go to the movies. He wants breakfast now. It is a beautiful day today. Sorry, Lisa is not here at the moment. They are not here. They are on vacation right now. Robert does not go to my school. My parents live in a 2-bedroom apartment. We are European. You seem so happy today. What is your score? Comment below your score and share this English quiz challenge with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.